having a bad hair day, watch this video. If you're anything like me, you'll be having cornrows for weeks just out of sheer laziness. Mad cute, super easy. So the first thing you need is an afro puff. So the first thing I do is pretty much spray it with water and conditioner. I try to spray it to make sure that I get everywhere, just so the hair is not looking dry and crusty. The next thing you want to do is take like an oil, but like thick oil, because we're going to make this look like it's our natural hair. So the exact same thing that you put on your natural hair, put on this one, because you don't want the hair to start looking crusty, because people are going to start asking questions and we don't want that. So now this is where the magic happens. There are two clips on the side and there are two ways to do this. So you can either do it like this, where you just pin it down like this, or you can do it like this from back to front. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's giving very much chicken, but now we're going to add a scarf. And what you like, and I'm just going to throw it out a little bit. Okay, so this is pretty much what it looks like. Tell me it's not cute. Tell me it's not giving. Okay, let me show you what the back looks like. So this is what the back looks like. Yeah, so this is what I've been doing, and this is how I've been scamming people lately. Let me know what you think of this. Let me know if there are other scammer hairstyles that you've been doing. Something that would take 2 minutes, please. Nothing too serious. Let me know in the comments.